Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to see sent emails in Microsoft Outlook. Let's get right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load in all your emails and give you access to your inbox and other folders. Wait a moment for everything to sync properly, especially if you're logging in for the first time or if you have a lot of emails to load. Once your email has fully loaded and you can see your inbox on the screen, it's time to locate your sent emails. Navigate to the inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are organized. You'll see various default folders here like inbox, drafts, deleted items, and others that Outlook creates automatically to help you manage your messages. From here, look for the folder labeled Sent Items or Sent. This is where Microsoft Outlook stores every email you've sent from your account. It's a default folder that Outlook creates for everyone, so it should be easy to spot in your folder list. Once you've found it, simply click on the Sent Items folder. As soon as you do, all of your sent emails will appear in the main viewing area on the right. You'll be able to see the recipients, subject lines, dates, and any other details about the messages you've sent. You can scroll through this list, open individual emails to review them, or even search for specific sent messages using the search bar at the top if you're looking for something particular. And that's it. You've now accessed all your sent emails in Microsoft Outlook. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, and this folder is always available whenever you need to reference or review something you've already sent. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.